y'all. So if you sell templates and you use Canva Pro to create your designs, of course, you're already tracking the free elements and the pro elements, and that if you have a pro account, you're able to use the pro elements. But if you include a pro element within your design and your customer or client, they don't have a pro account, they won't be able to download it. So this is how I bypass all of it, and I'm still able to use the pro elements within my designs. Excuse me, y'all, I'm still sick. So what I do is I create my design, and then I duplicate each design that I'll be using for that listing. I have an Etsy shop. After I duplicate each one that I need, I delete anything that's free. So if it's fonts, if it's word boxes, frames, basically anything that's free and I'm able to use and my customers are able to use, I delete it. Once everything has been deleted, I then download those pages as a PNG. After you've downloaded them as a PNG, you will then upload them back into Canva, and they will essentially serve as your background for your template. So to make it easier for me, what I do is after I've uploaded everything, I move that page by the original page so that it's easier for me to duplicate everything onto the copy. If that makes sense. If not, I'm about to show you. So after I place everything where I want it to be, I then start deleting the pages that I do not need so that I don't get confused. After I'm finished with that, I then start duplicating everything from the original page to the copy. Basically making it look the same basically. And this is how I do each and every template that contains a pro element. It is more time consuming, but you're able to utilize more elements. So, yeah, that's how I do it. If you have any questions, if you didn't understand anything, just please let me know. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.